Hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and I am again back with a new job opportunity. This time Jikers is hiring for the role of procurement analyst spend freshers. Before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus like this and the interview preparation videos. Because here you can see we have uploaded the videos regarding Accenture, Wipro, Capgemini and IBM and again Capgemini. Always we upload the videos regarding the latest off campus preparation about the recently asked questions, etc. So I'm saying this thing because to the new viewers, especially those who have already subscribed to our YouTube channel, no issues. So it's a kind of, you can say, advertisement, but we are doing the advertisement so that you will get benefit of it. So now let's discuss. So Zycus is hiring for the role of procurement analyst pen, and the job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria here, which is one of the most important thing. So they're hiring for BTech, mechanical, electronics, telecommunication, electronics, medical, biotechnology, instrumentation, production, etc. And the fresher graduates to join us as a procurement analyst. So this profile is for the candidates those who are having 0 to 1 year of experience, because up to 1 year of experience it is not useful, you can say. You will be considered as a fresher. So if you have below 1 year of experience, you can apply for this off campus, no issues. And one more thing, they have not specified any year of pass out criteria or the batch criteria here. That means any year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply provided. And yeah, one more thing, there is no certain percentage criteria here. If you have scored below 60%, you can apply for this off campus, because they are hiring on the immediate basis right now. If you have skills, or if you have the required skills, then definitely you will be getting the job opportunity. So now let's discuss about the other things. So what you will be doing, in brief, let's discuss. So serve as a business analyst on the JICA's procurement performance applications. So procurement, you can say P2P cycle, or the procurement is the like buying, etc. Work with the customers to gather the requirements on the JICA's applications like spend analysis, sourcing, contract management, suppliers management, procurement, etc. Basically, you'll be doing the like collecting the or gathering the informations regarding the procurement or the buying, etc., or the requirements, etc. So later we can go through all the details. So for the time being, I am skipping this part. So now let's discuss about the skills required. So the requirement, what they are looking for: strong written and verbal communication skill. I hope everyone has this skill. Then flexible, enthusiastic approach to work, including a strong desire to learn new tools or the technologies or the techniques to solve the business problems or the requirements. Collaboration with various internal and the external stakeholders. So there is no certain kind of technical skill required for this off campus here, but you must be having the hunger to learn new technologies and good communication and the verbal written communication skills. So now let's discuss about the benefits. Benefits are a very good salary. Yeah, one more thing I need to highlight here: you will be dealing with the cloud product things, or the company. It is a cloud based company. It's a very good company to start with as a fresher or as a fresh graduate. So I would suggest all of you to apply for this off campus. So now let's discuss about the application process. So if you are interested for this off campus, click on the apply for this job button here. Otherwise, here, overview, to the right side of the overview, there is a application tab. So after clicking on that, autofill the application option is there. This is the best option. You need to upload your updated resume, import your resume from the Dropbox, My Computer, Google Drive, etc. Simply click on the My Computer from the local device. You can upload. Then automatically it will fetch all that things like first name, last name, email address, phone number. Also it will fetch. Then resume, automatic, we have already uploaded our updated resume. Here it will be showing us. Then what is your education skill? BE BTech you need to choose. otherwise you can choose other. So BTech for the time being, let's choose what is your specialization. You can choose more than one options. Like suppose electronics, if you belong to the mechanical engineering background, others you can check. But they have already mentioned that mechanical background candidates can apply for this off campus. So here, mechanical, electronics, telecommunication can apply for this off campus. So no issues. You can click on the other button here. Then what is your year of passing or pass out batch? You need to type here. Name of your college you need to type. Do you live in Mumbai? If yes, then choose yes, otherwise no. Mention your achievements and the awards. If you need to highlight all the things, everything you need to highlight, starting from the certifications or the career award, etc. You need to provide. It will be more eye catching, or you can say it will it will attract more the HRs. Then how soon you can join us in days, that means it is asking for the notice period. If you are eligible, or you can say if you are willing to join this company at an immediate basis, I would suggest all of you to put 0 to 15, because this company is actively hiring. So that's why they have asked how many in how many days you can join, and it's a mandatory field. So I'd suggest all of you to put maximum 30 days. 0 suppose I am putting here, then submit your application. If you're a fresher, if you don't have any offer letter in your hand right now, you can put 0, then submit your application. After that you'll getting a confirmation, and once the application process is closed or application window is closed, you'll be receiving the further interview invitation, etc. So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. So thank you for watching and all the best.